Planks are a timeless bodyweight exercise that come with many advantages for our body. By starting to practice them every morning for just 1 minute, you can already feel their benefits in a short time. But before starting, it's important to understand why planks are so important for our body. Bodyweight exercises are excellent for various reasons, one of which is the possibility of practicing them anywhere, without the need for expensive equipment or a gym. Planks, for example, are versatile for different types of training and work a large number of muscles in our body. By practicing them regularly, you will strengthen your entire body, improving muscle mass and skeletal system strength. In addition, planks also help improve focus, concentration, and proper breathing. One of the most important muscle groups that planks work in are the abs, such as the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, and oblique muscles. In addition, they also strengthen the glutes, contributing to better posture and preventing strain injuries. Finally, it's important to remember that core training is crucial to maintaining spinal alignment and preventing injuries. Therefore, the plank is a great way to maintain strength in this region of the body and should be combined with a variety of cardio and strength training exercises to get the maximum benefits. Regularly practicing planks can bring numerous benefits to our health and well-being, as well as being a simple and accessible activity for everyone. So why not include planks in your daily exercise routine and experience their benefits? Did you like the video? Please help us by clicking the like button and follow our channel. See you in the next video.